Hey YouTube! Today I'm going to be attempting Tate McRae's Allure 10-minute makeup routine. A lot of people say that I look like her. A lot of people need an eye test. Either way, I'm going to take the compliment and then try out her makeup look. First, she mixes Neutrogena Hydro Boost with her foundation. I don't have that moisturizer, so I'm going in with the Revolution Pro Miracle Water Cream. This is like one of my fave all-time affordable moisturizers. I'll link all the products I'm using in the description. I'm going to be mixing that with the Kylie Cosmetics Skin Tint. This is a beautiful foundation. It's honestly my favorite. Hands down, one of the best things I've ever been sent.
I'm gonna mix these together and just kind of go lightly across my face. Usually I keep it very natural on the foundation. I don't like to do too much, especially because when I get on stage usually or go throughout my day, I am doing a lot, usually being really active, dancing, working out, so I like to not clog my skin.
Very glowy finish. I feel like I might have fake tanned a bit too hard last night because the colour match is just not matching. This morning I had to put bronzing drops on to go to the gym because my neck and face were like two majorly different shades. And then I looked like I had makeup on and I'm like, this was not the vibe I was going for. The trick is to have makeup on but look like you haven't got any makeup on. Brows already done. I had a crush on a guy in year 11 and he made fun of my eyebrows and they've looked perfect ever since. So next we're going in with concealer. This is my absolute favourite I've ever tried in my entire life. This is the House Labs concealer and trust me, it is worth every single piece of hype that it gets. It is a gorgeous concealer and it's the first time I've not had like a billion problems that I've had to work around with a concealer.
I know that a lot of people hate beauty blenders. I use beauty blenders for everything. I think it's so much easier than brushes. And I also, usually when I'm on tour, do my makeup so fast, like so fast, that I need to just blend quick.
This feels very barefaced, but you can see she's just like a bronzy, glowy goddess. So it's gonna work out. Then she's going in with bronzer all over. Thank God for that. My face is giving Casper. My neck is giving orange. This is not a good look. Normally I would never ever go in with a dry bronzer on a base like this. I would normally use a cream product and then maybe go in with a dry bronzer later.
And kind of blend all over. Okay, that should be good enough.
This is where you should try other people's makeup routines because even though sometimes you might think they're wrong, when they look stunning, there's a reason for it. Same again with the nose contour, except I'm not going to use the shimmery shades because that seems kind of wild.
No one judge me, but go like that and you do a little triangle. I think that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to do a little triangle at the front of your nose and then you go down.
Actually, I feel like I look a tiny little bit more like her because of the nose contour. And then we're going in with blush. Thank God. You know, I hate recreating celebrity makeup when they don't have blush because I have blush blindness. I want as much blush as possible. I get these like matte looks with no blush and I just feel like I never look as good. And I'm going with my fave NARS blush.
So I'm applying the Bare Minerals Kiss of Pink blush. And I kind of like to do this across my nose, on my cheeks. I like that summer, you know, sun-kissed look. And I kind of just put some on my eyes because why not?
Then we have faux freckles. Love a good faux freckle. I feel like my makeup's not done without them.
So I'll like dab them on my finger and then press them to my nose. I've found that is the most natural way to like put them on without them looking like black dots. And yeah, that's what I kind of put there.
Next we have the eyes. I'm going to be using this Morphe Nude Ambition palette.
My favorite part is usually the glitter that I add. This I think is the only reason why people think I'm good at makeup is because I cover myself in glitter on stage. Oh my God. That's a lot of glitter. One sec. Okay, much better.
This is the perfect amount of glitter. I love this for an everyday look. I don't care. There is not enough glitter in the world.
And just kind of put it on a thinner brush and just kind of trace the line of like an eyeliner. I
can't lie, I was getting to a point of this where I was like, there's too many powders in this makeup routine and it's not gonna look good on me. But I'm actually starting to love it now. This eye combo, it's everything. Next we have mascara. My current obsession is the Maybelline Sky High in Cosmic Black. Oh, doing this without a mirror is crazy. I've started using lash serum, so I'm really hoping that this works out without lashes because I can't be bothered to put any on, can't lie.
I usually like to just put my mascara out And then when I have a makeup artist or someone, I'll ask them to put a little lash on the end because I think it's so pretty.
I'm actually loving that without lashes. Thank God. Not to be delusional, but I think the eyeshadow really brings out the brown in my eyes. Like, they look more brown than black right now. To me anyway.
This new Road Lip Shaper. Okay. That's cute. Okay.
I don't have the Road Lip Liner and I have no intention of purchasing it, at least right now anyway. If you want contour, you can just put a little bit of bronzer on the top and bottom of your lips and ta-da, it looks a bit more plump. I do, however, have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Liner. This is one of my fave lip liners. Never knew how much I'd love it until I got it. This is in the shade Medium.
Kind of just go into my lip as well because it's such a cute little pink color. And I overline a lot because why not?
Love this lip liner for overlining. It's called Lip Cheat for a reason.
I have never done a matte lip. I'm sorry, I love a gloss.
I am so with Tate on this. A glossy lip is everything.
It's such a fresh finish to makeup routines. I think that's it. Okay. I hope this is good.
And this is the finished routine. What do we think? Personally, I think this looks so much nicer on Tate than it does on me. Loving some of the makeup tips though, like the freckles with contour. Definitely the blush everywhere. That is something I love to do anyway. But for me, all these powders are not blending very well with my skin type. I've got dry skin, so I need a lot of cream products. I've had so much fun though. Let me know in the comment section whose makeup you would like me to do next. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you do. I post every day at 5 and then sometimes I post long content, but genuinely I don't know when. Thank you for watching and hopefully I'll see you next time.